Cara here. The music is going to get relentless. Are you ready? Try and have some fun. Stop giving a damn and dance. You'll be so much happier. I'm Cara, taking you through some incredible music. It's DJ Cara, the soon-to-be famous world-class beatboxer, in here playing some amazing beats for you. The energy you give off is the energy you receive, so stop being so aggro and love the music. Cara, coming to you live from the entertainment capital of the world. Which is really a depressing fact. What are you hoarding all your money for? Buy a drum kit. It always cheers me up, just like this music does. Here's to a schizophrenic bunch that runs the entertainment capital of the world, crunching out little cubes and RTV tubes of pop culture nonsense. It's DJ Cara here in the studio. You know, doing some yoga and meditation while cranking this amazing pop. Just keep dancing, people. Cara here. The music is going to get relentless. Are you ready? Try and have some fun. I'm DJ Cara, in case you forgot. I hope you're having fun, and not because you're all hopped up on some happy pills in order to stop another outburst. Ooh. Stop hashtagging and dance, please. I'm Cara. It's time to stop relaxing. A town this parched needs to leave its troubles behind. And believe me, this place has a lot of issues. I'm your DJ Cara. Hello. If you want to be number one, you've got to be odd. So get weirder. If that's even possible. I think it is. It's about time you fell in love with something that will love you back. And that, my friends, is pop music. It doesn't judge you. And I won't either. Pop is awesome. Paparazzi, not so awesome. There's one who hangs outside the radio station that drives me mad. You're on the home of pop music, dance and dance pop, and I'm your hostess with the playlist, Cara. You really don't hate this music, so stop pretending. Please, stop it. You're stuck on non-stop pop. Do not even think about going anywhere at all, or I'll cry a lot. This, in case you hadn't guessed, is a pop station. Don't get moody. I can't bear it. This is the home of massive dance records, classic pop music, good times, and people staying up long after their bedtime. We're keeping the party going here. We're not stopping. We can't, because of our name. We're not stopping, so you better not. Please. This is Cara guiding you through a non-stop battery of pop and dance classics. Stop pretending you're not loving this music, please. It's not fooling anyone. Embrace your contradictions. Don't you feel like you've got caught listening to your younger sister's playlist and secretly loving it? It's Cara here, bringing you nothing but the absolute finest in 30 years of pop and classic dance music. We're not stopping. Not until they extradite me. It's Cara here, keeping all you well-medicated sun worshippers happy. Or trying to. Okay, don't go away. I'm lonely here. Oh, not really. I have a phone. The perfect companion that makes you feel lonelier. The pop is resolutely not stopping. Ever. Do we understand each other? I'm Cara. Let's forget the therapy and dance, shall we? You think you can avoid it, but that pop hook hits you. And you're mine. I'm Cara. In a town of moody cops and crying fake celebrities, you might just need an escape. Well, I've got it for you. Even if you don't have a shred of confidence, just fake it, like everybody else. You look great, I promise. I'm your DJ Cara, loving this music and loving a place as mad as Los Santos. How do we all end up here? I'm Cara. Stop feeling down. I have some amazing music for you. Hello, everyone. Love from Cara. Playing fun music from a girl that can play drums and Exorbio video games. Why are you wasting time with TV? Hello, everyone. Cara here, taking you through a little bit of magic. We're going to have a great time. These beats are amazing. My head's just exploded. Here we are, drowning in the land of the selfie. Come on, you know you love it. Cara here, getting the universe in order with a few tracks, hoping to snap you back into that pop state of mind. Everything doesn't have to be so serious. They say, as San Andreas goes, so goes the nation. We are in big trouble. Hi, I'm Cara. What are you wearing? Whiskey and ashes? Oh, I like it. Stay for one more song. Come on, party. You're going to fly into irrelevance soon enough. We all are. It's a tedious, non-smoking flight, I hear. They call San Andreas the Golden State. Fool's gold, more like. You might have some moves, but do you have moves like Jagger? They love this song in a French football match. M83 with Midnight City. You know you love some naked eyes. Promises, promises. Okay, next we've got a great track about teaching women to listen. Mojo with Lady. She's not listening because you're boring. I love this one. Mystique with Scandalous. Here she is, Britney Spears. This entire album is slamming. It's in excess with the third and perhaps biggest single from Kick, New Sensation. Here's a song called Living in a Box. We're all living in a box, really. Feel Good Inc. is the track from the Gorillaz. What time is it? It's time for Summer Loco. The time is now.
Here she is, the only girl in my world, Rihanna. Here she is, Robin, with Every Heartbeat.
Everybody loves a bit of sneaker pimping. 6 Underground right now. A special Steve Silk Hurley remix of a smash track from Simply Red. Something Got Me Started. How can we not include this song? Sly Fox, let's go all the way. Let's disappear and go MIA with this track. Bad Girls, Tell It to My Heart from Taylor Dayne. Power pop at its very finest. Let's go all the way. Well, that name gets right to the point. Sly Fox. What time is it? It's time for Summer Loco. The time is now.
If there's one thing we don't encourage, it's scandal.
The girl that made fun of pompous songs about clubs and bottle service. Here's Lorde on a track called Tennis Court. From her 4th studio album, this song is Bad Girls by MIA.
Let's go back to 98 with possibly the biggest dance record ever from Stardust.
I see you looking at me with your naked eyes. Promises, promises.
Let's head back to the 80s. The kings of 80s pop soul, Hall & Oates, encouraging some further education, which is nice.
Robbie Williams and Kylie Minogue love this duet so much, they each put it on their albums. It's Kids. Doing some 80s British synth pop here. Small Town Boy. Bronski Beat. Taylor Dayne says, Tell It to My Heart. I say, Speak to the Hand.
Possibly the greatest dance record ever. Stardust. And here is a little bit of Rihanna for you, the only girl in the world.
A great track. Maroon 5, Moves Like Jagger. Classic. This is a song called Living in a Box by the band Living in a Box from the album Living in a Box.
This is a classic dance track all the way from Italy. Corona with Rhythm of the Night. It's time to get stimulated. Mystique. A massive record from Sweden. Robin.
Let's get into some Bobby Brown right now, shall we? We're going to do a song here by Lorde. Tennis Court. Here is a massive radio hit, Days Go By the British electronic band Dirty Vegas.
This is an amazing pop record long before any of us were born. Enjoy with Anthem. Sounds just like a modern pop record. Enjoy.
This one tore up the dance charts. Mike Posner with Cooler Than Me. A British band, the Blow Monkeys with Wait.
This is All Saints, Pure Shores.
If we're going to call ourselves non-stop pop, we have to do some Belinda Carlisle. A lot of talent on this record, including Thomas Dolby. It's Belinda Carlisle with Circle in the Sand.
Here we are with Amory. One Thing.
A #1 track from Bobby Brown, On Our Own. If you need something to get you started, keep it legal. This is a nice remix of Simply Red's Something Got Me Started.
Some classic pop right now. This is, of course, the Pet Shop Boys. And what a Pet Shop Boy is, I still don't know.
Half of life is meeting someone halfway. Black Eyed Peas with Meet Me Halfway. Let's do a fantastic duet with Robbie Williams and Kylie Minogue. Kids. From Bronski Beat's debut album, The Age of Consent, it's Small Town Boy. We have to do some more Chiba, right? Tape Loop.
This is a classic from London, one of the original girl bands from the 90s. This is All Saints with Pure Shores.
A late 80s classic from the massive album Kick, New Sensation by INXS. The English band Sneaker Pimps from their 1996 album, It's 6 Underground.
Okay, we've got a massive Freemasons remix of Kelly Rowland, putting us all to work.
Time for some Gorillaz. No, not the Primates, the band. A very hot dance track, Cooler Than Me, Mike Posner.
This is Gimme More from the one and only.
She's a model and she can sing as well. Cassie with Me and You.
Kelly Rowland, Work. Enjoy.
From Lady Gaga's 3rd studio album, it's Applause. Just a classic recent record of urban angst. Midnight City by M83.
This is Corona with Rhythm of the Night. Some classic Italian house for you.
Some proper 1980s suit-wearing pop now. The Blow Monkeys with Wait. #1 in more countries than you can count. I Want It That Way with the Backstreet Boys.
This is Mojo with Lady, a house classic from 2000 pop fans. Enjoy.
A beautiful song by Cassie. Me and You. Some electro pop from Moloko. The time is now.
Just One Thing next.
Let's do some Black Eyed Peas, shall we? More Chiba taking us into a tape loop. Now here's a pop ballad that was nominated for a lot of awards. It's Backstreet Boys' I Want It That Way. More Chiba taking us into a tape loop.
Are you ready? Fergie with Glamorous.
If you need something to get you started, keep it legal. This is a nice remix of Simply Red's Something Got Me Started.
Don't want to fall in love? Listen